Alin ang mas gusto mo? Which one do you prepare? Akala ko madali lang. I thought it was easy. Ginagawa ko ito para sa'yo. I made this for you. Makakatipid ba tayo niyan? We'll be able to save money with that? Sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam. Honestly, I don't know. Buti na lang sumama ka sa akin. I'm glad you came with me. Napakasarap ng pagkain nila. Their food is delicious. Pwede mo ba kaming kuhanan ng litrato? Can you take a photo of us? Nahihilo ako sa amoy ng bango niya. The smell of her perfume makes me dizzy. Ikukuha kita ng bago. I'll get you a new one. Akala ko nasabi ko na sa'yo dati. I thought I told you before. Sasama ka ba sa amin bukas? Will you come with us tomorrow?
If you are